Hello, my name is Jack Dulles, Director of Training at Tulsa Welding School, and today we're going to bring you a field truck. So what we're talking about is an actual welding rig truck. So where you can go out into the field and make money with your truck. And so today we want to show you our truck. What we did is we asked one of our instructors to bring in his truck, and so we're going to walk around and show it to you today. And so let's first start off with his welding machine. If you look in the back here, you can see he's got his Miller Pipe Pro 304 welding machine. It's got all the bells and whistles on it. He can do a lot with this one. He's also got the remote as well. So when you're laying down in the hole over there, you can turn your amperages up 10 or 15. It's really nice to have the remote to go with it. So let's also talk about it when you're out in the field welding. You're out underneath the sun, and you're going to need an umbrella. So he's got an umbrella here too, where he can actually loosen this up, swing his umbrella out over, and keep you some nice shade out in the hot sun out there. A lot of times, like I say, you're out working in a field in nowhere, and so a lot of times you're gonna need some shade. So like I say, he's got a nice little pole set up here where he can wheel it out, raise up the height, and keep some nice shade on him. Let's do a walk around also. So what you're gonna see is he's also got basically some toolboxes here, and what you would keep in these is, your grinders, chipping hammers, maybe your welding rods are stored in here. So he's got a couple of toolboxes on the back of his truck as well. There's another one over here as well. So like I say, you just kind of keep your miscellaneous tools in here, whatever you may need. Maybe it's your torches, your grinders, etc. will be in there. Also, he's got a nice reel here to where you can wheel out some of his extension cords. So it's very nice to have a nice reel. It's easy to just reel them out. When you're ready to pull them up, you just reel them back in. Let's also talk about his welding leads. He's got welding leads here. So he's got his ground and his positive. So like I say, he's got more than 100 feet on here, so he can just wheel them out as far as he needs to go. Like I say, nice reel them back in. Let's keep walking around. Let's keep looking. He's got a nice vise on the back. You always need a nice vise on the back. A lot of times you gotta, whatever the situation is, very nice to have a vise on the back of your truck. Let's keep going. I'll spin around over here where you can see better. We have his oxy fuel lines as well, so if you got to do any cutting and burning. He's got his bottle stored back here in the back. Okay, and then also when you're out there, you're going to need some jack stands. You're going to need to be able to elevate your pipe or your plate or whatever it is that you're working on. So he's got a nice jack stands and storage area in here as well. So he's got a very nice setup here. He can go out here on the job and basically be able to do any fitting or pipe welding. He's got all the tools and accessories on his truck. It's a very nice truck. It's laid out very well, and it's a very excellent job on a truck. So I just want to take this time to show you a field truck, a welding rig truck. And like I say, thank you for the video. Thank you for watching today. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Thank you. Thank you for watching our video today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something today. If you would like to get some more tips and tricks and become a better welder, then subscribe to our channel. And if you would like to learn even more right now, then click on our link. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.